You were a friend of... Oh jeez.
Amanda, I can't believe you can't remember her name.
What do you mean I can't remember? Of course I can remember. Amanda Rice.
Reese!
Reese, that's what I said. Whatever happened to her?
I have no idea.
You have no idea?
No.
You were a good friend of hers. We didn't make it because we were such
Hey,
good friends.
you went with her.
So was it worth it then, this sacrifice for a friend you haven't even kept in touch with?
Harry, I know you may not want to believe it, but I never considered not sleeping with you a sacrifice.
Fair enough.
Okay.
You were going to be a gymnast.
A journalist.
Journalist.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I said. So did you?
Yes, I am a journalist. I work at the news.
Great. And you with Joe.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
You guys have been together like 3 weeks?
A month. Wait, how did you know?
You take someone to the airport is clearly the beginning of a relationship. That's why I never take anyone to the airport at the beginning of a relationship.
Why?
Because eventually things move on and you don't take somebody to the airport anymore. And I never want anybody to be able to say to me, how come you never take me to the airport anymore?
Harry, you know what? You look like a normal person, but actually you're the angel of death.
Are you getting married then?
No, we just known each other for a month, and besides, either of us is looking to get married, so right now.
I'm getting married.
You are?
Hmm?
You are?
Yeah.
What? Who is she?
Helen Hilson, she's a lawyer. She's keeping her name.
You are getting married.
What's so funny about
Well,
that?
it's just so very optimistic of you.
Yeah, you'd be amazed what falling madly in love can do for you.
Okay, wow. Oof. I'm happy for you. I'm super happy that you're embracing life like this.
Yeah, and besides, you really get to a certain point where you get tired of the whole thing.
The whole thing?
Yeah, the whole life of a single guy kind of thing.
Hmm?
Where you meet someone and you have the safe lunch, where you decide you like each other enough to go out to dinner, and then you go dancing, you do the white mince over bite, and then you get back to her place and you have sex. And the minute you finish, you know what goes through your mind?
What?
How long do I have to lie here until I can get up and go home? Is 30 seconds enough?
What? That's what you think, seriously?
Yeah,
What?
all men think like that.
Fuck off.
Okay, listen. How long do you want to be held afterwards?
All night.
Yeah, all night, right? That's your problem. Somewhere between 30 seconds and whole night, there's your problem.
I don't have a problem.
Yes, you do.
Cut. Very nice.